In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check files on Grok AI, Settings Guide 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to grok.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that the address bar shows a secure connection. This ensures you're accessing the genuine Grok experience and that your account data stays protected. Next, consider logging into your Grok account. While it's not strictly required to look around, signing in is the quickest way to make sure your files, preferences, and any work in progress are synced and available. If you skip this, you might not see your saved items, especially if they're tied to your account across different devices. Once you're on the homepage, you'll land on the main Grok AI interface. You'll typically see the chat or workspace area in the center and a navigation sidebar along the left. Don't worry if the layout looks slightly different for you. Grok updates its design from time to time. But the controls we need are consistently in the same area. Look to the bottom left corner of that sidebar for your profile icon. It might appear as an avatar, your initials, or a small account picture. Click it to open the account menu. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or click the expand arrow so you can see icon labels more clearly. From the account menu, choose Files. This takes you to Grok's File Manager, where everything related to your account's uploaded or generated content is organized. If you don't immediately see files, double check that you're logged in and that the sidebar is expanded. In the Files view, you'll see your existing items, documents, images, and other attachments, displayed in a list or grid, depending on your preference. You should notice file names, sizes, and last modified dates, which are helpful for spotting the most recent versions. Many layouts let you sort by date or name and toggle between list and thumbnail views, which is handy if you're scanning for a specific image. If a search bar or filter is available, use it to quickly narrow down by file type or keyword. When files are organized into folders or workspaces, look for a left-hand panel or breadcrumbs at the top to move through that structure without losing your place. That's the essential path. Go to grok.com, sign in if you want your content to appear, open the profile menu at the lower left, select Files, and review what's already there. If your Files section looks empty, it simply means there's nothing stored under your account yet. And that's all you need to check your files on Grok AI.